Hey guys, this is Tyler here, owner and artist of Rehab to Fab Designs. Remy and I are here today. We're going to be doing a stencil, silk screen stencil. This is a mandala, and it's got that very pretty floral pattern on it, and it's also got some little rows here that we're going to use, and I'm going to be putting them on the side of the drawers here for a dresser that I am currently doing a makeover on. I've got my sides of my drawer taped off. I'm going to roll some paint on the sides to finish that up, and then we'll get started with our stencil. I'm using the new Silk All-in-One paint line in a color called Conch, which is just a beautiful light pink, and I'm going to be applying my paint with a roller. So let's get started. These products now have a QR code located on the packages. You can scan this and it'll take you to the Dixie Belle site so you can read about the products and see blog posts. Peel your stencil off the white backing and lay it where you want to put your design. Press it to adhere it and then get ready to paint. It's important to note that you wash your stencil after use. I applied my design to both sides of the drawers back to back, but as soon as I had finished it, I went and washed my stencil out. I did put different designs on each drawers, and since I was changing from one stencil to the next, I made sure I washed it after I finished using it. I washed with Dawn dish soap and just laid it out to dry, and there's a quick video attached to this that will show you how to do that. I realized here that my brush was not the best thing to apply my paint at this point for this smaller design because it was going to get on the sides of my drawer, so I swapped it out for a small sponge. These stencils come with 3 sheets in each package, and they have different designs on them. Here I was using the second sheet that came with it, and this is kind of a paisley design. The sponge I'm using here to apply my paint is actually a makeup sponge.
I buy them in large packages and then I cut them down to size so I can use them for smaller applications. I swapped back to my roller here because this design is larger and I could paint the whole thing without worrying about getting paint off of the stencil itself. You definitely want to clean your stencils so you can get the multiple uses out of them. I used Dawn dish soap and just like a dish sponge that we keep at the shop and just kind of scrubbed lightly over the stencil itself and rinsed it off with water. Once you're done cleaning, you'll want to lay these out on a paper towel, sticky side up, and allow them to dry.
Thanks for watching.